Namaskar. To start a stress free day, it is very important to start properly your day. It is mentioned that Ant bhala to sab bhala, but I would say शुरुआत भली तो अंत भला और अंत भला तो सब भला. The way you start your morning sets the tone of your day very well. Today I am going to tell you 5 essential things which you should do every day in the morning that can make your day healthier and more productive. First thing, expose yourself to sunlight as early as possible. Sunlight is rich source of vitamin D. It strengthens your bone, improves your immunity, and also improves your mood. Getting natural sunlight early in the morning also helps in your circadian rhythm. It tells your body that look, it is a time to wake up and start the day and be alert. So, get at least 10 to 15 minutes of tender sunlight in the morning to start your day to have burst of your energy. Next, what you say in the morning matters a lot. You can say any short positive statement. For example, you can say, I am capable of achieving my goals. Or you may say, I radiate confidence. Or you can simply say, today I choose to be contented. Say these affirmations aloud or in your mind and feel it fully within yourself as you begin your day. You will see how it influences your mindset and your behavior. Third, include 3 specific yogic practice into your morning routine that can definitely enhance your well-being. First, Pavan Muktasana. This pose will help releasing any tension in your stomach, gas from your stomach easily and reduces any bloating or discomfort. Second, Anulom Vilom or alternative nostril breathing. This is an excellent breathing technique that balances 2 hemispheres of your brain and helps you to think rationally in the morning. Third, Jalneti or nasal cleansing with water. In this, you can rinse your nasal passage with saline water. This is very good for your respiratory system and your general health. Learn these practices from an experienced teacher and then practice these things regularly. Doing these techniques day after day is simply very important. Fourth, after cleansing, you can have a drink to detox your system and to encourage metabolism. You can have any good combination that suits you in life. Warm lemon water or amla ginger turmeric drink. Such drinks are not only flavorful but also have good health benefits. So, choose a detox drink of your liking and have this refreshing drink to start your day. Fifth, brisk walk. After having a detox drink, you should have a good morning walk. If it's a brisk walk, that is better. It will increase your heart rate and improve the blood circulation. Any such energizing morning exercise also puts you into a good mood because it releases endorphin. Walking is a low impact exercise and almost everybody can do it. Try to walk 20 to 30 minutes every morning. So, if you want to start your day right, why wait? Make these 5 sensible choices in your morning routine from tomorrow and find out for yourself how you feel during the whole day. Just do it. Namaskar.